first lady. If I don't get to say it again, I'll say it now. I love you.
What is it?
What is it?
Dog, we all got nanny. Somebody we call granny, part of the whole family. I hope you live to see you meet the 20s. Please don't take that lady from me before I can show I love her. Came a long way from Mississippi in the 50s. Third youngest of 10 child, say they're still kicking. Seen a lot of grief and then he's still living. Lost her mama at 27 and still stricken. Had my mama the same year, so she stayed drifting. Didn't wanna let her down and kept her clothes fixed. Always been a fantastic mother and lost her grip. Her baby got away and came back with a fix. Plus 3 babies she didn't know what to do with. Most of y'all mamas would just up and look the other way. Now Annie Lou, she took us in when we was clueless. Just to think I really could have been another man. Stayed a block away from the project babies. All she wanted was for us to hit the 12th grade. We done did it there in spades, 3 different shades, and she loved us all the same. She didn't wanna see us slain before she got away, so she prayed for us. Kept us in the A, I guess she made a name for us. And a home too, so please don't play with her. I swear I'd do anything for her. Dog, we all got nanny. Somebody we call granny, part of the whole family. We all got nanny. Somebody we call